One of the most complex civil aircraft developed in Australia has now made aviation history. It successfully completed its first free flight as it edges closer to carrying passengers across the country.
Preparing for liftoff. Before taking to the skies in its first free flight. A landmark moment for what's been described as the most complex civil aircraft ever developed in Australia.
This flight test is a moment in history for Australia.
This is AMSL Aero's electric Vertiia aircraft, able to take off like a helicopter and fly at high speed like a fixed-wing plane.
This is the new generation of aircraft. They're zero emissions. Ours is long range. It will travel 1,000 kilometres.
Now, this is the first that we're aware of in Australia for something of this size and complexity.
Tested out of Wellington's aerodrome, so far this month they've successfully flown and landed more than 50 times, all controlled remotely from the back of a ute while it's on battery power.
Over the past couple of weeks, we've gotten to 80 kilometres an hour. Now, there's still a way to go.
It's hydrogen-fuelled flight testing to get underway next year. The historic flight test has been 7 years in the making. It paves the way for a new generation of travel, especially for those in the bush. Aviation Logistics, who operate Airlink, AirMed and Chartair, have ordered 20 of these aircraft.
So we're expecting to take delivery of the first one in 2027.
If approved, it'll first be used to deliver freight before eventually flying 4 passengers and a pilot.
So build up some confidence on the product, and people can see that it's actually flying.
As the industry looks to transition from the old to the new. Hamish Southwell, 7 News.